Ayala Center Cebu has changed a lot over the years. Today, come and join us taking a slow walk through its new spaces while catching up with bigger friends over food and coffee. Tara, let's go! Ayala Center Cebu feels different after the massive renovation. More open spaces, more natural light, and a more modern feel. It still feels familiar but with a fresh, new energy. A small escape from the busy city, the garden area, one of those corners where you just want to slow down for a bit. Good conversations always start with good food. Brique for lunch, the perfect spot to catch up. This was our first proper sit down as a group to talk about our upcoming baking events. Sometimes the best projects begin with simple conversations like this: coffee, ideas, laughter, and planning something we're really excited about.
Panikamutan ko niya dapat ka nang mapit sa ubang entries code kung meron ako dito para niya dapat naman
The Terraces has always been one of my favorite parts of Ayala Center Cebu, especially when you just want to walk around and enjoy the atmosphere.
Lingkod dito lang. Dito ako. Hinahili lang ko.
Maybe that's true. A new amazing experience is always just around the corner. Thanks for spending the day with us, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.